How you doing, YouTube family? Man, Ant-Man here, back with another video, and I have one more video for the day. I have to hurry up and get up out of here. It's snowing outside. But one more industry that I want to talk with you guys about, okay, very, very briefly. Credit repair, credit restoration. This right here is a serious niche industry to get in, okay? I would say you should be the person that actually wants to learn, okay? Go to a class, train on credit repair, okay? Not just join a business opportunity to where, you know, you're just getting paid for an enrollee or something. Like, you know what I mean? Like, no, you should be the guy that's actually helping fix someone's credit. You get what I'm saying? Like a legitimate, you know what I mean? You're backed by a company and all that. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm not knocking those particular business opportunities, but credit repair is really, really important. And it's an easy conversation starter. It's an easy foot in the door. It's an easy opener. You can literally go on a train right now, okay? If you're by any transportation, you should try this one day. Just yell out, you know, really quickly. Just stand up and say, hey, how you doing? You know, my name is Anthony. I have a question really quickly. How many of you would say that you have a bad credit score or okay credit score? It's okay. Just raise your hand. I just would like to just know, like a ballpark figure, of how many on this train actually would like to have help building their credit. I'm being honest. I guarantee you, let's just say it's 75 people on that train. Anywhere between 60 and 70 people is going to raise their hand, because 5 of them or 10 of them are more than likely probably are going to have a good credit score. And today, having a 680 credit score is not enough anymore. You got to have at least as closest to 800 as you possibly can. Okay? When you're trying to get a personal loan, guess what? You can't get it because of credit. When you try to get a business loan sometimes, when you're talking traditional loans, SBA loans, you know, any other type of loan and whatnot, you can't get approved because of your credit, right? You try to get a car, whether it's your first car or it's your second car, guess what? You're not going to be driving out of there with the car that you need. Why? Because your credit's not the best, okay? When you're trying to get your apartment, they're going to run what? Your credit score, okay? They don't judge you based off how you look. They don't judge you based off how defined my curls is. They don't judge you based off how good your smile is. They don't judge you how good your swag is. They don't judge you how well you show up at work every day and you've never, you know, missed a beat. They judge you based off your credit score, okay? Guess what? You're going to be paying probably, say your rent would have been $1,000, you probably will be paying anywhere between $1,500 to $1,800, okay? Because, to be honest, they don't trust that you can pay that $1,000. It's a fact. Okay, that's what happens when you try to get, you know, a house. You get your 30-year fix and this, that, and the third. You can't get none of that stuff. You gotta come in higher. You know, you got sort of like in low-income areas, certain areas where you get, you know, you put down 3% or 5% or whatnot, right? You're gonna be putting up more. Why? Because your credit. If you was the guy, the go-to woman that could help someone get enrolled into a credit repair program, telling them the products and services that you can offer, being a consultant and helping them in every step of the way, okay, being available on call or text message, or just being available via email, following up with them, doing everything that you can, helping them fix their credit, I guarantee you, not only is that going to be a client for life, but they're going to give you referral after referral after referral, and before you know it, in months' time, we're not talking about in years, in months' time, you can literally have your own business and be making 6 figures in a short matter of time. Okay, so you need to hook yourself up with a phenomenal company that can help you build a business via credit, in the credit repair industry. Okay, have some mentors set aside. Okay, maybe read some books or something like that that can help you out. But get into a training class. Okay, you know, get yourself trained and figure out what needs to be done. All right, and then start doing it, okay? Don't be scared. It's an easy conversation, okay? It doesn't matter. You don't have to do group meetings. You don't have to do all that stuff, okay? It's so easy to talk about credit because everybody that you walk past, 9 times out of 10, has a bad or okay credit score. What do I mean by okay credit score? Anywhere between the mid 600s. That's what I look at as an okay credit score, okay? You want in the 700s and above, okay? You don't even want nothing in the 600s. 9 times out of 10, every other person that you walk past has like a 510 credit score, 520, 540, 555, it's just 500 FICO score, whatever. Like, it's just in that range. Okay, so that's just another industry that I wanted to just suggest if you're thinking about getting out of your particular industry, this and third. That is something that you can actually build around. That is going to be it's not just in demand today. It's going to be around for the next 40, 50, 60, 70 years because credit is important, guys. as young, I'm only 26. When you look at, say 10 years from now when I'm 36, that's when it's really going to matter, because the average homeowner is usually their first home, legitimately, would say like a child and a dog and all that stuff. 2-car garage with a 4-bedroom house and 2 bath, 2.5 bath, all that stuff. They're like 35 when they buy their first house, to be real. Okay, so right now is the perfect time to enlist in some type of class, get yourself some mentorship, okay, educate yourself on credit repair, credit restoration, this, that, and the third, because you can help out so many people in the next coming years, because people are always going to want to buy houses. Trust me, people are always going to want to buy houses, cars. People are always going to want to buy phones. You can't even get approved for the new iPhone XS Max because your credit messed up. Like, you can't even get that, It's a lot of reasons why I can say credit is important. You know that I don't have to tell you why it's important, this, that, and the third. But I just want to help you the best way that I can. So that's it, guys. That's another industry that you should want to get yourself involved in. Take care. God bless. I love you all.